Hi, this is Dr. Phil Rosenkrantz. I prepared a video version of the announcements because there's a lot to cover and I thought it would be faster and easier to deal with. Um, First of all, let me say that there's some differences between Canvas and Blackboard that have, I think, impacted communications a little bit. Let me just say that Canvas is a lot more complicated and involved uh, in posting assignments than Blackboard was. I have a syllabus uh, that is posted in the syllabus menu for the course menu, and that's what I intend to be the official syllabus. And then when I post things in Blackboard in Canvas, I'm supposed to put dates in. Anyway, it gets complicated. I suggest you look at the syllabus itself. It's got a blue background where the calendar part is, and make a copy of it for yourself. Anyway, I know that you like to be able to look at a calendar and assume that everything is there for all your classes. Um, if you see something that doesn't match up between the syllabus and dates in modules, please contact me because we don't have any more wiggle room for making changes uh, due to any communications issues. Um, so anyway, let me move on. So I did go ahead and take the time to complete all the final modules for the homework, modules 7, 8, and 9. Uh, if you were in class on Tuesday, you know we extended that homework to November 1st. That's tomorrow. I also extended Module 8 homework from a due date of November 4th to November 7th. However, no, Module 9 is still scheduled for November 18th. And actually, yeah, it is. So anyway, make sure that you look at that. Also note that in Module 9, we do have a discussion, which means you need to uh, post your initial post 24 hours in advance if you want to get full credit so that people can read your response and respond to it. Also note that uh, discussion thread involves watching a 7 or 8 minute video that you'll be responding to. Regarding quizzes, um, we uh, have dates moved for some of the quizzes, but uh, quiz 4 is November 2nd, so the practice quiz is due then. Quiz 5 I moved to November 16th, uh, and that has a practice quiz due also. Our final quiz 6 is during the final exam time slot on December 7th, and I will have the practice quiz number 6 open um, long before that, but practice quiz number 6 will be due on December 1st, which is during the last week of classes. That's so I can calculate your grades as of December 3rd, and you can decide if you want to take quiz number 6. Also, practice quiz number 6 is mandatory even if you are not planning to take quiz number 6. So if you have any questions on this, you can contact me. Let me go on. So just a reminder, Project 1, the retirement plan, is due November 11th. Actually, it's November 12th. Okay, that's incorrect on there. It's November 12th at 11 o'clock. But anyway, um, make sure that you read all the instructions. I suggest you do that before you do anything, is read all the instructions, because that will help you know what to look for when you're watching videos. You should have watched the 4 lecture videos by now. There are 2 videos that show you how to do the project, one showing how to use the spreadsheet, and one demonstrating how to do sensitivity analysis. And Then also a reminder for the two-page paper, follow the instructions. I am not asking you to just tell me what numbers came up on your spreadsheet. I'm asking you to summarize and analyze your findings. So if you want a good grade, if you want to get the most out of this, you need to have some kind of analysis there. And also, make sure that you look at step 7 in the instructions about what I want for the sensitivity analysis. I've had several people ask me what I wanted for the sensitivity analysis, and I actually had put that in step 7 of the instructions. For project 2, the team project, I want you to submit your uh, PowerPoint and Excel spreadsheet um, by midnight, November 29th, the day before we have our actual presentations. And so make sure that you submit those. Um, I, I used to have a place in Blackboard where I would have them submitted. I'll let you know what I want you to do later on, whether I want you to email them to me or post them somewhere. But please make sure they are PowerPoint and Excel. I'm not looking for Google Docs. I'm looking for PowerPoint and Excel. And I'm not looking for PDFs. So every semester, people submit documents other than what I ask for. So I'm trying to emphasize doing what I'm asking for. One way to help make sure that happens is to make sure that whoever is submitting the documents has one other team member look at them before they're submitted. What we'll do is on that final day, teams will screen share and then present their presentation, each person having a chance to say something. And we'll have plenty of time to do that. There are team member evaluation surveys. Most of you did survey 1, evaluation 1. A lot of people skipped evaluation 2 for some reason. Maybe it was communications, but what I did notice is that there were several teams. I may reach out to them, but there were several teams where there were people that did not respond. Did not fully participate with their team. So if that was you, make sure that you're on board as you work on milestone 3 and the final presentation. Because we have 2 more team member evaluations coming. They're worth 10 points each. Now, as you can see, the final presentation is due right after Thanksgiving weekend. What a lot of teams will do is have a goal of having their presentation all finished, completed, and submitted before Thanksgiving weekend. So I would encourage you to aim toward that. Finally, there's one more survey that you will be getting. I don't have a date for it yet, but I'll let you know. But it's a survey that I ask you to let me know which tools in the course you used the most, or which ones, or what each one's value was. What are tools? Things like homework, practice quizzes, regular quizzes, different features within Canvas, the videos, support videos. Anyway, there's about 20 or 25, somewhere in there. And I use this for research. I've been giving this survey for a long time. I've written 2 papers about hybrid classes, and so that's why I'm asking for this. So anyway, that's all for now, and I hope that this answers a lot of questions. And if, like I said, if you have any questions, email me. If you see something that doesn't look right as far as a date, a missing piece of information, something that isn't published, contact me. Don't just sit back and wait. Thank you. Bye.